Question 10 is 3 marks. The question says, complete the table for the values of y for y equals x cubed plus 2x plus 3. How do you complete the table? We complete the table by substituting x equals negative 3. So instead of this x, you just write negative 3. And instead of this x, it's negative 3. Now let's write it down here. When x equals negative 3, y is going to equal to, instead of x cubed, it's going to be negative 3 cubed plus 2 times negative 3 plus 3. Just plug this in your calculator and you got the answer. Before we do this, let's look at one of the mistakes that everyone does and they got you a wrong answer. Now, some students write minus 3 cubed. This is wrong. For this specific question, it's correct. But if this power was 4 or 2 and you write minus 3 squared like that, it's definitely wrong. Because this is going to give you minus 9, while minus 3 squared is 9. Did you get me? So what I want to say is just always write it in brackets. Just write it in brackets to make it easier for yourself. Now let's find the value of y here. Minus 3 cubed plus 2 times negative 3 plus 3. That's give me minus 30. We have another value here when it's 2. So we will do the same thing. We will do 2 cubed plus 2 times 2 instead of 2x plus 3. And that gives you 8 plus 4 plus 3. I think it's 15. I'm not sure. So 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. Yeah, it's 15. So we got these values. We got this 1 mark for completing the table. Now they say then graph. To graph, just graph the points. So the first point is negative 3 and negative 30. Where is negative 3 on x? This is negative 3 on x and negative 30 is down here. So this is the point. I'll just make it like this. So this is the point. Negative 3 and negative 30. The next one is negative 2 and negative 9. Negative 2 is here. This is negative 10. So negative 9 is just going to be here. Alright, next. Negative 1 and 0. Negative 1 is here and 0 is here. So this is it. Let me just erase this one so it doesn't confuse you. And then 0 and 3. 0 and 3. 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3 here. So this is 0 and 3. And then 1 and 6. 1 and 6. This is 5. So 6 is just going to be up here. This is 1 and 6. And then 2 and 15. 15 is exactly in the middle between 10 and 20. So 2 and 15 here. Finally, 3 and 36. 3 and 36. This is 3 here. This is 30. This is 3 and 30. 3 and 35. 3 and 36 is here. And that's it. What we will do now is we will just connect these with a line. I'll try to make it perfect. Okay. It doesn't look nice, but you got the idea, right? So that's your graph, and that's your 3 marks for this question. Now, let's go to question 11. Oh, I already